Hey guys, let's take a look at the market here. Let's first take a look at the VIX, so the VIX Volatility Index. So as you know, the VIX tracks the equity market. So as stocks or the stock market goes up, the VIX will go down. And as the VIX goes up, the market will go down. So we saw a big reversal from last week where this particular candle here went all the way up, right? So the volatility index went all the way up and the market came down. Well, we have the reverse. So the VIX is now headed back down. So we've got a red candle here so far for the week, and the market is going higher. So let's take a look at the Dow. So here's the Dow here. So here was that down week we had last week. So these lower lows and lower lows over here and lower highs, and then we got a nice bounce today and on Friday. Okay, so the Dow looks good. We're looking to test this resistance here, this yellow resistance line. Okay, so great for the Dow. Let's take a look at the S&P. Same thing with the S&P. We got a nice reversal, and we're right at highs. Okay, new highs on the S&P. So nice upward trend. All right. And then the NASDAQ was perhaps the biggest recovery, right? So we actually got a sell signal last week on the NASDAQ, right here on the NASDAQ. Got a sell signal. This white arrow here was a sell signal to get out and reverse. And we got a buy signal right here on this break of this purple resistance right here. So the NASDAQ is back on track, and with the buy signal here is moving higher. So equities looks really good. All right, so pay attention to your heat seeker for Stock Boss and Bullmaster. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now is at 49,000 and change. It actually hit 50,000. So we retraced just a bit, but it's holding. I mean, there's nothing to complain right now with Bitcoin. Just a nice upward trend. So it's definitely in the markup phase, and it's holding its buy signal. So the next target here is 50,000. So let's draw some lines here. All right. So here is 50,000 right here. Right here. So it's right at 50,000. And again, the next target we're looking at is 60,000 on Bitcoin. So 60,000 is right here. Expect some consolidation in this area in here. So expect some consolidation in here. But I anticipate that price will move higher and get into this range in here. All right. As far as the dollar, let's take a look at the dollar index. Dollar still looks good. We got a bit of a retracement, a pullback today, but everything is still fine with the dollar. It's still holding. What we would like to see is continued green candles, right? After this pullback, continued green candles and move higher. So the major indexes are looking great. The VIX Volatility Index, that's coming down. The dollar looks good. A bit of a pullback, but looks very, very good. And Bitcoin is holding and looks good to move higher. All right. Hope this helps.